Learning with Dr. K, the best in the land. Discovering English language and literature with a plan.
Literature is a mirror reflecting our past, shaping our present, and inspiring our future. But what if we could dig deeper and unravel its mysteries together? Hello, literature enthusiasts and budding writers. Welcome to the Learning with Dr. K channel, where the magic of the written word comes to life. I'm Dr. Alon Kaiselman-Davin, but you can call me Dr. K. And with over 2 decades of teaching English and psychology, I've seen firsthand how literature can shape minds and transform lives. And guess what? My journey hasn't been solitary. My students have been my best co-travelers. From bite-sized quotables that shine the spotlight on iconic quotes, to quick tips that'll sharpen your composition skills, all the way into in-depth literary analysis and crash courses. There's something for every kind of bookworm here. So, why should you hit that subscribe button? Because if you're passionate about English composition and literature like I am, you'll want to be the first to catch our daily short-form nuggets and go deeper with our weekly long-form explorations. It's not just about learning, it's about sharing an adventure through the world of words. Join this community of literature lovers and writers. Grow, explore, and let's make the world of English literature and composition even more exciting.
Our videos are fun, upbeat and engaging. Let's get to learning and start the day changing.